My people, so this actually happened in Upper Akran area in Ikeja today. An helicopter crash landed beside the AP filling station in Upper Akran area in Ikeja, Lagos State. This was a very brutal one because it affected so many properties around there, and thankfully at the moment now no life was lost, but people were injured and properties were destroyed. I'll be leaving you with the remaining of this video. Watch and let me know your comments. What could have caused this? Thanks so much for staying tuned to this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Thanks.
Hey!